Hello there guys, glad to see all of you watching another video of mine. Just to briefly introduce myself, I am Siddhancha, working as a full-time freelancer. I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, which is one of the best freelancing platforms today. My expertise lies in building scrapers and automation bots. Today I am going to discuss another interesting bot that I've recently developed. Client required a bot that for a given list of YouTube influencer scrapes the email addresses from their website as well as from their Instagram page. For this bot, I have used libraries like PyMongo, which is used to connect MongoDB using Python, Selenium, that is used to create a fake browser instance, Request library, that is used to reach to the websites and extract email addresses from them, and regex to find email addresses with correct format. Let's understand the working of the bot. First, the bot needs to connect to the MongoDB and fetch a list of available YouTube influencer on some predefined filters. After this, the bot will go to YouTube, open the influencers page and extract the following details. Number 1, all social media links like Twitter, Instagram, etc. Number 2, website of the influencer. And number 3, extract email if it is available in the description section. So if we go to my YouTube page, we can see here are the social media links like Twitter, Instagram, my GitHub and Upwork profiles. This is the website, and in the description we can see an email is available. The bot will extract all this information for all the influencers and then move to the next section, that is scraping email from the website of influencers. So the bot will loop through all the influencers, and if the website is available on the YouTube page, then it will go to the website and try to scrape all email addresses that are available on the website. After this, bot will execute third and final step, which is about scraping email from Instagram. First, bot will log into Instagram using some dummy accounts and save all the logged session. Then it will use one session at a time to extract email from Instagram for all the influencers that have Instagram on the YouTube page. Now that the data is selected, the bot will simply push all this data into MongoDB. Now that theory part is done, let's execute a bot. Let me go to my terminal and activate my virtual environment. Now I will move to my project folder and execute the script. Yes, we can see that the bot is trying to connect to the MongoDB and it has fetched 5 influencers. After this, bot will use Selenium and go to the YouTube page of each of these 5 influencers and get the data like social media links, websites, emails from description. Here we can see that for this particular influencer, we have found some social media links as well as the website. Once all this is done, the bot will start to scrape email from the website for each influencer. In case no website is found on the YouTube page of the influencer, then it will simply skip for that particular influencer and continue for the rest. So here we can see that we have fetched email for this particular YouTuber on its website. After scraping email from the website, the bot has to scrape email for influencer who has an Instagram link available on the YouTube page. As we can see, the bot is logging into the Instagram using a dummy accounts, and once that is done, bot has started to fetch email for each influencer. Here it is important to note that we can only get email of a public account, and that too if the email is provided by the user. Once a script is done fetching email from Instagram for all influencer, we can see here the script has updated all this scraped data into MongoDB. Other than saving the data into MongoDB, bot also saves this data into a JSON file. Let me go to the output folder inside the project directory, which has a JSON file. As we can see, all the data that the bot has scraped is saved in this file. These are the social media links, website, and the email that the bot has scraped for this particular YouTuber. So I guess this will be it for this video. If you have any requirement for such bot, then do connect with me through Upwork. You can also connect with me through Instagram, Twitter, or simply by sending me an email. Details of all these medium can be found in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as it will notify you once I've uploaded a new video of the bot that I have created. See you all in next video. Till then, take care, work hard and party harder.